Hello and welcome to Daily Red Video. In this episode, we are going to see why spatial audio with Dolby Atmos and lossless audio feature is not available in your iPhone, iPad and Mac computer, and with few easy to follow troubleshooting steps, we are going to activate that feature, if it is officially released in your country and your friends and family members are using it, only you are kind of left out to use this particular feature. So the first important step is you need to verify that this service is officially launched in your country. When Apple released this service, they announced it at the WWDC event. We all thought that it is going to be a global rollout and it is going to be a flick of switch, and all the iPhone and compatible iPads and Mac computers with the AirPods and Beats headphones, are going to start playing the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos and lossless audio. But that didn't happen. Like Apple initially rolled out this feature only for US region, and recently they have rolled out for us in India. So you need to visit your country's Apple website. So in my case, apple.com/in/apple-music. So after visiting that page, you can scroll down a little bit and then you can see several cards where it clearly mentions that you can immerse yourself in spatial audio with Dolby Atmos, and the Dolby Atmos and lossless logo will be there. Just a couple of days ago, there was a coming soon, a label printed over here. So if you're still seeing that coming soon in your Apple country specific website, then it is not officially available in your country. You may refresh this website after a couple of weeks and see, that whether it is enabled or not. Apple is, kind of in a fast pace manner. They are rolling out this feature to more countries as far as I understood. So by September mid, when they release the next iPhone, we will be able to see more countries added to the list. So you have to be patient, and that is the only way. If you're from India and other countries that officially have the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos and lossless audio feature enabled, and still you're not able to access and enable that feature, then the first troubleshooting step that you need to do is make sure you're running iOS 14.6 and later versions. Even you don't have to update to the iOS 14.7 quickly, because if some people want to stay with the 14.6 for some reasons, and you will still be able to see the toggle under settings, then go to the music app and there you will be seeing the Dolby Atmos and audio quality settings that you can modify and control. So only 14.6 and later versions will be able to see the Dolby Atmos feature, and the lossless audio feature can be accessed. So make sure you're updating to the latest version. And the next thing is you need to turn on spatial audio from your AirPods Bluetooth settings menu. So I am in this case using the AirPods Pro. So go to Bluetooth. I have connected my AirPods Pro here. Tap on the I symbol and then scroll down a little bit, and there you will be seeing the spatial audio. If it is not enabled, then only you can experience the lossless audio feature. The Dolby Atmos, particularly if you need it, then you need to enable this feature, and then only you will be able to access the Dolby Atmos, some selective few thousands of songs that Apple have added into the Apple Music library, then only you will be able to access them. And the next important step is with the Apple Music, you need an active Apple Music subscription. Many people have posted in Twitter and Facebook, and I have noticed that without joining the Apple Music, having an active subscription, it is not possible to see those Dolby Atmos and audio quality, the lossless audio quality feature enabled. So this is very, very important step. So if you're a beginner, like if you're new to the iPhone, iPad and this kind of things, then make sure that you have an active subscription. For Apple Music, they normally give like 3 months trial version, so you can take a trial version for a spin and see whether the lossless audio and Dolby Atmos with your AirPods or Beats headphones, any compatible headphones, whether it is worth or not. So based on that, you can continue after the trial, or you can simply stop using the Apple Music. So the choice is always yours. The next one is very important thing is compatible AirPods and Beats headphones. Apple made all the H1 and W1 headphones, to be compatible with the Dolby Atmos. And for lossless audio, even if you use any third-party Bluetooth headphones like Sony or Sennheiser or any brand Bluetooth headphones, then that will also play lossless audio. Even the earpods that you connect with your iPhone with the lightning cable earpods that comes with the iPhone box, the earlier iPhone models, then you can also use that to enjoy the lossless audio. And the next important thing is make sure you have a proper country region settings enabled in your iPhone. For some reasons, if you have changed your country or region settings from your Apple ID settings, your iCloud profile ID settings, to download a particular game or an application, and you have left the country or region settings to be with the different one from what you are actually in, that have the Apple Music spatial audio with Dolby Atmos enabled, then it is important to change the country, so that you will be able to use the spatial audio feature. And the next thing is, the final troubleshooting step is simply restart your iPhone. If you have followed all the 5 steps and everything checks out, then the simple troubleshooting step that you need to do is restart your iPhone or iPad, and the problem will be solved. So give it a try and experience the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos and the lossless audio. And one more additional tip, the spatial audio is right now limited to the video songs that you see in Apple Music library section, not especially the head tracking movement. Things are limited to the video songs, not to the audio songs. Apple planning to release the head tracking feature of spatial audio by end of this year, as per their official statement in the website. So right now you can enjoy the Dolby Atmos and only with the video songs that you find in your Apple Music application, you can enjoy the spatial audio with head tracking feature. And rest, Dolby Atmos and lossless audio will be there for you. And do let me know which audio version you actually liked after enabling this feature. I personally liked the lossless audio more than the Dolby Atmos due to some kind of better audio boost, and even at 70 to 80% volume I was able to enjoy the songs in a much better, something more than the stereo what we were used to hear. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, tricks and troubleshooting steps with iPhone, iPad and Mac computers. And you may share this video to help more people in Twitter or Facebook. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.